Commitment 2024 election day less than 2 weeks ago, but the North Carolina Supreme Court race still too close to call at this hour. But now one of the candidates is suing the State Board of Elections. Kenny Beck joins us in studio tonight with more. Kenny.
Well, Devontae, there's a lot to unpack here, but I want to start with where things stand tonight in the race itself. Within just the last few minutes, Democratic incumbent Allison Riggs' lead over Republican challenger Jefferson Griffin has grown to 623 votes. Her lead was as little as 24 votes earlier today. Now, there are 3 counties where election results are still listed as unofficial on the State Board of Elections website: Duplin, Forsyth, and Northampton. I spoke with the Forsyth County Board of Elections this afternoon. They had a canvass meeting at 2, and I was told it was going to take a long time. Election workers are still scrutinizing provisional ballots at this point. That brings us to the lawsuit. Griffin and the State Republican Party are now suing the State Board of Elections for access to public voting records so they can be sure that, for example, felons didn't vote, dead people didn't vote, and people didn't vote twice. The suit claims the defendants' failures to provide these documents have impeded their efforts to meaningfully examine the election process and unlawfully interfered with their ability to evaluate the potential need to file any protests in relation to the election. Deadline for a candidate to request a recount is tomorrow at noon. Deadline for a candidate to file a protest about the conduct of an election is tomorrow at 5. Back to you.